I used to think that grid method is elevating my artwork, but it was actually eating my skills, and it is doing the same for you as well. Now, I remember I posted this video around 3 years ago on how to draw portraits using grid method, but it was around the time when I understood that this is not going to help become better artist. So it's time to turn the pages. This freehand drawing method that I am using here is the Loomis method, and I am already making videos about how to draw using Loomis methods and I have posted 2 to 3 videos which I'll be linking above, so you can have a look once you end this video. Even I made a lot of mistakes when I was beginning to draw like this, and I was so unsure like the portrait would go right on the first place. But I knew that this was important. I kept on failing again and again, and that is where the breakthrough came in, and I am now able to draw without these grids, which is blessing. Now let's go a little fast forward from here because I don't want to make the video too long, but I want you to understand the point. Even my placements of features were on point due to the help of this grid method, but I got so much relied on it that I couldn't make the eyes or nose placement without those grid anymore, and which was a total disappointment for me when it came back to me one day. How can an artist call himself an artist when he can't draw those faces without these help of these symmetrical lines? So I decided not to use grid anymore and started to work on my skills, and this is where Loomis book helped me a lot. Once you start using the same method or any other kind of method for freehand drawings, you will start to realize that you are making some changes on your artistic path, and you are becoming what you are in a true self as an artist. Even you will be making a lot of mistakes in beginning, but do not get disappointed, as this is the art journey and you need to stay calm and relax. Just understand that this is a process, and to master something we must be patient and calm. Keep drawing, erasing, drawing and repeating the process until the day you perfect it. I still make mistakes sometimes, and that's okay because I know and I love the process. And now there are times when you can still utilize the grid methods, such as while you are drawing a certain painting or copying any master's work that you want to place on a canvas from side to sides. So in that case you can use this grid method. Even those masters used the grid method, but for tracing their own prints over the drawing, not to trace any other's paintings. And if you have received any commissions and you are still lacking this confidence, you can still use that grid for now. Go for it, but remember not to rely too much just on the grids. It's the process that will take you towards your style of painting, and for that you need to be patient and keep practicing. Alright, I hope you understand the point I wanted to make in this video. You can see this portrait that I just made through the free drawing. It still has some area of improvement, but I'm not gonna leave it there. I'm gonna practice it until I make it perfect. Alright, so I see you in the next video. Please comment any topics that I can cover for you as I'm building up my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. Keep practicing, keep drawing. Love for all of you artists. Take care and bye bye.